Okay. Can you hear me?
Okay, so just real quick. So the reason they're hunging up on you, the
Yeah.
reason that they're not willing to understand anything that you're saying, like you could literally have diamonds in your hands right now, but
Mm,
if you call me right now and say, "Hi, this is Jonathan. How are you doing today? This is from Media Traffic." I'm gonna hang up on you
mm,
immediately because what does that say when you're saying, "Hey, this is Jonathan. How are you doing?" You're pretty much sounding like every salesperson that ever existed.
mm,
Hi, this is Yusuf from Kinji. Hi, this is this so and so from, right? So
mm,
you're triggering sales resistance and defense mechanism in the prospect. So the way I go about it, and the reason I book so many appointments sometimes, like usually some even up to 8 appointments per day, it's really simple. I treat them like they're my friends. Like they answer, "Hey, Jonathan, what's up, man? This is Yusuf, Yusuf alias from San Antonio, man. How you doing? Hey, good, man. How are you?" Like sometimes you say San Antonio or like San Diego or like this is something my assistant taught me because he lived in Iran, but he would call and be like, "Hey, this is Mo from San Diego." And all of a sudden that sales, kind of drops. They're like, "Oh, where did I meet Yusuf in San Antonio? Maybe I did meet him one day." So, and then I'm like, "Hey, look, real quick, I know this is out of the blue, but I see your name on my system here." And I don't tell them they signed up or form or anything. I see your
mm.
name on my system because we had a conversation before about getting you more clients. Is that something? Is that true? Are you still doing that?
Mm.
And then they're like, "Yeah, yeah, yeah, that was a long time ago." Dude, I wouldn't remember either. The only reason I remember is because I have it on the system. I can see it.
Mm.
Now, real quick, and I try to always real quick, like I'm because the longer you take in your conversation, like, "How you doing? What's going on?" People don't like it. They're living their lives, and you're just interrupting them.
Interrupting.
So you gotta real quick, real quick. Hey, let me do make it real quick, right?
Yeah.
Because if you're talking slow in the beginning, they're gonna think that conversation would take 30 minutes, and so they hang up on you. Hey, real quick, I'm gonna take a few seconds of your time. Is getting clients still something you're working on? Because it does say here you were interested. What's going on? Yeah, man, we're still looking, da 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 da. Cool. Look, I don't know if this might be a good system for you, or if they tell you like, how much is it? What do you what's cost? What's the cost? You get that all the time. Well, look, I don't even know if this is the right fit for your business anymore. What if I serve you better and book you for a walkthrough, 10 to 15 minutes, it could be less, show you how the system works, show you the results, and if it aligns, you can then work with us. How does that sound? And then you just book an appointment. And as you're booking it, you're finishing booking the time and all that stuff. What's your time zone? You confirm and say, if everything aligned for us and you and our team to work together, and you really liked our team and our advisors, do you have any funds available to invest? Or are you just trying to learn new skills? Because we do have a coaching program too.
Mm.
So, no, no, man, I'm trying to get this done for me. Da, da, da. Perfect. Please make sure you show up. If anything changes, make sure you send us a text because our advisors get busy and they've been doing this for over a decade and they get really busy. They get booked up. So please, if anything changes, let us know. All right, cool. Boom. Done. There is no script. Like you shouldn't have a script. If you have a script that you're
Mm.
going based off, then you're
Yeah.
gonna get all the hangups that you can imagine. And I
Yeah.
wouldn't say where I'm calling from unless they ask me, "Hey, where are you calling from?" "Hey, I'm calling from Kenji. Kenji AI. What's Kenji AI? We're a software company.
Mm.
We're a software company that has been doing marketing for a decade. And so we're setting up our clients with their own marketing systems so they can use our software for a lifetime. That's the whole goal. That's all we're doing here. We're a software company that set up a marketing system called the client attraction system, and that keeps our clients for a lifetime on the system.
Okay. Oh, that sounds. This is this meeting recorded. So I could.
Yeah,